Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this Tesla style security radio special for Nissan Navara NP300. Okay, let me introduce the header unit. It comes with special harness and canvas box, so it plug and play. This ISO harness and this connector plug and play. Radio antenna. Okay. You can check this front panel, this volume button and the power button, this knob, this radio, this knob you can check. Okay, this home menu, this back button, this band, this navy and this S button, this reset hole and built-in microphone, this AC information control. Okay. All apps are here. It's built-in Z-Link for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay from your phone. It's easy connection for Mirrorlink, built-in Google Maps and Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store. Let me check the settings. This navigation. You can choose the default map and support other maps. You can choose it. Okay. This video, radio and other music player, GPS, date and time, language, this DSP amplifier. Okay, this dim user setting. This touch tone you can turn on or turn off. Okay. This is steering wheel, Android 9 system and the PX6 chip is RAM 4GB. It's built-in Wi-Fi and you can check chip is PX6. PX6 Android 9 Pi system. Okay. Firstly, this AC information, you also can open it in here and click this place. This volume brightness adjustment. Okay, let me introduce Bluetooth. You can check this pin code 1234. Please enable Bluetooth from your phone. Enable Bluetooth. Okay. You can click search. Okay, choose it and connect. Your phone will get message. Please click yes below. Okay, it's paired Bluetooth, show Bluetooth icon. It's download context listing. You can refuse or lower it. Keypad, you can make phone call. Okay, it works with free phone call from your phone. Okay, you can stream music from your phone. Beat music. And this up and down. this full screen, you can click this place. Okay, it works with streaming music, beat music from your phone. Okay. The head unit is built in the one USB port. It comes with USB cable. There are two USB cable and this connect back of head unit. Let me connect. And Wi-Fi antenna. Okay. This USB driver and connect the one of USB. Okay, it will show the Arco USB Arco music. This DSP amplifier, strong bass, and EQ you can adjust balance, sound field, sound press, rock. Okay, this video. Iceland. This is 4K video. It's 4K video. It's full screen. PRP, picture-in-picture function. It's volume control. Also, you can control this button, this volume knob, or steering wheel controls. It supports original steering wheel controls. Okay. Okay, this is Android and Apple CarPlay. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. You can visit our website, belsee.com. Okay, thank you.